Hey friends, did you know that in horse racing, the horse that comes first in comparison with the second horse is paid 10 times more money? It does not matter what is the difference in their finishing time, even if it is in milliseconds. Now, here the question arises, is the first horse 10 times faster than the second horse? Probably not. Then, why is the first horse paid 10 times more money than the second? Dear friends, even I do not have an answer to this question. However, there is a noteworthy thing in this case. That 1 millisecond was what made the difference in the rewards. That is, small things always have the capacity to create great results. But as those initial results are always small, we often ignore those small results. Author Darren Hardy, in his renowned book The Compound Effect, tells us how small acts can create huge impacts. In today's video, we will be talking about this compound effect and its potential. Let us first understand the compound effect through an example. I give you two options. First, I will give you 1 rupees today whose value will double every day for the next 1 month. And second, I will give you not 10 million, not 100 million, but an entire amount of 500 million rupees. Then, which of these two will you choose? Maybe some of you already know the wiser choice. Imagine I keep the 500 million rupees with me and give you the first option. Now let us compare the amounts for a month. On the first day you will have 1 rupees and I will have 500 million rupees. On 5th day, by doubling every day, your 1 rupee will reach 16 rupees and I will still have 500 million rupees. On 10th day, you will have 512 rupees and I will have 500 million rupees. Even on the 20th day, you will have around only 5 lakh rupees, which is very less in comparison to my 500 million rupees. However, on the 31st day, your 1 rupee will amount to 1.07 billion rupees. Dear friends, 1 rupee was less on the first day. On the 5th day, 10th day and even on the 20th day, 5 lakh rupees was a small amount. However, shockingly, that same 1 rupee reached an unexpected 1.07 billion rupees on the last day. This unexpected result is what we call the compound effect. Whenever we begin a new task, we are full of energy and enthusiasm. But as the initial results are small, we feel demotivated and ultimately leave the task. If a smoking addict will die of cancer at the very first time, then no one else will smoke in their life. But as the initial results are small, a smoker does not quit smoking and after a long time he faces severe outcomes. If eating sweet led to diabetes on the very first day, then no one will eat sweet things consistently. But as the initial results are small, he consistently eats sweet foods and after a long time he faces severe outcomes. If doing exercise for 1 day gave a fit body, then everyone will be exercising today. But as the initial results are small, people hate exercising and after a long time face severe outcomes. Renowned physicist Albert Einstein once said, "Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world." Compound effect is a miracle using which you can achieve whatever you wish. You will only have to use it in a proper way. Often, when we start something new, we leave it after a few days. And the reason behind this is our programming. Our brain is made to balance daily life, and if we suddenly change our routine, our brain forces us to stop. Therefore, it is important to build new habits gradually. If you decide that you will exercise every day, then don't exercise for 1 or 2 hours on the very first day. If you do so, there are full chances that you will quit. Instead, on first day, exercise for only 5 minutes. On second day, increase 2 minutes and exercise for 7 minutes. Continue doing this every day, increasing your time slowly. Within a month, you will be exercising for an hour. Besides all this, you need to maintain your focus and rhythm. Now, let's talk about focus and rhythm. Number 1. Focus. If an aeroplane leaves from North India to South India, then the pilot must remain focused on their destination and fly in that direction. If the aeroplane initially changes its direction even by 1 degree, it will never reach its destination. 1 degree may sound small, but as initial results are always small, due to compound effect, the aeroplane will end up falling in the ocean. Number 2. Rhythm. You all might know Newton's first law of motion. Every object tends to stay at rest or in its state of linear motion unless acted upon by an external unbalanced force. Any rocket, in order to fly, initially needs a lot of fuel and energy, and once it attains rhythm, it moves in full speed. Similarly, while building a new habit, you will face many problems initially, but if you succeed in maintaining your rhythm similar to the rocket, you will achieve your goals very fast. So friends, always remember that you don't get water by digging 1 foot shallow wells in 100 different places, but you will surely get water if you dig a 100 feet well at one place. I hope you understood what compound effect is and its potential through this video. Thanks for watching.